Imagine creating a full movie with talking characters without actual actors, cameras, or animation skills. Sounds crazy, right? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how people are doing it using AI. Watch the next video on something I created myself.
My phone? Why is my name not here?
Excuse me, who are you looking for?
Mommy, it's me.
I don't know you.
It's me.
Why are you calling me like that? I don't know you.
What? It's me. We were just talking yesterday.
Excuse me, I need to get through.
Your name is not on the system.
That's impossible. I'm on the staff board. It's gone. My face is gone.
You are disappearing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah Sani, and if you've ever wanted to create AI movies, storytelling, or YouTube automation content, this is for you. In this video, I'll break down into 4 steps, 4 simple process to create AI characters that talks, have real conversation, and look like a movie script. The first step is everything starts with a story. So you go to ChatGPT and prompt it to create a story. Now the tip to this is, don't just ask for a story, ask for dialogue scenes like a movie script, like a producer, Yes, something that if I go to ChatGPT, yes, something that I will say. I'll go to ChatGPT on my phone and say, create new chat and say, hi ChatGPT, I want to create a movie script, basically an animated movie, if you want animation or not, but I don't want animation, so I'm just going to tell it that I don't want animation, so I'm going to redo the script. So hi ChatGPT, I want to create a movie. I want you to give me different story ideas, at least 4 story ideas about African story tale or folk tale, but with a modern twist. So it's African like, but it's in like a modern city like Lagos, right? So we do that and I send it, and then to tell me, okay, give me like different options, which is currently doing, is giving the traffic spirit, is giving Ejo, that's snake, the serpent's depth, it's giving the talking phone, it's giving, that's an horror movie, it's giving missing name, it's giving midnight market. I don't know, all these are interesting, but I just want one because I want to, so let me just pick I don't want something Yoruba. Should we do the talking phone? No, let's do the missing name. Okay, so I like the idea of the missing name. Now what we're going to do is write the script and the scene. It's going to be for a TikTok movie, so it's going to be divided into different episode. Each episode will be 2 minutes long, so in each episode there should be 5 scenes, and I just want 4 episodes to wrap up the whole movie. So let's do that. So I've sent that prompt to ChatGPT. When it comes to writing prompts, be as free as you want. It's your story that you're telling, so it doesn't really matter what you say to it. Yours is to get the right prompt out. So now it's giving us everything that we need. It's giving us the scene, it's giving us what we need, just basically what we asked for. So it's writing all the episode down, the first episode, the second episode, the third episode, and all that. So at the end of this, now I want to write my characters. I want to know what they should look like. So the next prompt I'm going to give ChatGPT is, okay, so this is very nice. I want you to give me a prompt to create the characters and also to create each scene in each episode. So now we are sending a prompt to create the character. There's a reason for this. Remember, we want our characters to also be consistent. So it has given us what Amara is the main character, We have 20-year-old Nigerian woman. We have Yaje, that's a spiritual woman. We have the double, that's an evil version of Amara. We have the mother. We have our friend. Don't have a name for the friend. They even us each scene how we should look like. Scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, scene 6, scene 7, blah blah blah, and all that. So you can go back and check what your episode was like, because sometimes ChatGPT is not always correct, but go back and check what your episode was like. The first one was in the living room. The second one was in the first one is in her bed. Second one was in the living room. There are 2 characters. The third one was Amara in the friend and all that. So you go back and see whether ChatGPT actually gave you the right thing. So the first one is bedroom, living room, busy street, woman dressed distressed while talking to a friend who looks confused. So you have all that now, and that is amazing. Now we've gotten our script, we've broken it into scenes, we've gotten our characters, how we want them to look like, and we've also talked about how the prompts of how the scenes should look like. Right now, the next step is to create consistent character. This application called Wix AI, and it helps you keep your characters consistent. So now it's time for us to bring our characters to life. Here is the important part. We need to keep our characters consistent, same face, same description, same style. Remember we told ChatGPT earlier that to give us prompt on how our characters should look like. So I'm going to go and copy that prompt and put it in Wix AI. So this is the step that we would use for Wix AI. So the first thing you will do is Google Wix AI on your phone. You would see the first one you see, Wix AI labs.google. Click on it. Now when you click on it, it will go here. Now browse gallery, right? You click on enter tool. I'm already signed in. You can sign in. Wix AI allows you to generate a lot of these things. So you see where they wrote subject. We'll go back to ChatGPT to confirm how many subjects we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? We click on 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subjects. Now you can either decide to use a picture and just put a picture. I agree. Go to your photo library and pick a picture of what you want your characters to look like. But remember, we did a prompt in ChatGPT. So you see this place that has text, enter text. We go back to ChatGPT and copy our prompt, click on it and put it, bam, and generate. It will generate an image for you for what you're going to do. Now while we wait for that, we'll just keep doing the other ones. We'll do Iyaje, elderly woman. Yeah, so just continue doing all that. Just stay with me. This might be a long video, but the process are very important. And then we continue the double version of Amara. So let's see if this one will get a to generate. We have a middle-aged woman. Do the mommy, do the friend, bam 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 bam, Hollywood style, do the friend. Now if you notice something in this Wix AI, this is where we are generating our scenes. Also there's a yellow ticked this thing there. We have 4 characters. Amara is the same person, so we're not going to stress. So now we'll go back to ChatGPT and go to our scenes. The first scene is young woman waking up confused, blah blah blah, and all that. We copy that. Now untick Yaje, the mother and the friend, and leave only Amara because the scene is only for Amara. And then press this cancel here and describe what you want your scene to look like, and then click on this button and it will generate a scene for you. Now the good thing about Wix AI generates 2 pictures, so you can pick from it, right? So now we have two images that generated with the image that we use. Now we'll go to scene 2, Nigerian living middle-aged woman confused at her young. So we know that this is for Amara and her mother. So we go to add images, click on the mother, click on this X button again and put the new prompt, bam, and generate again. Are we seeing what is going on? I want to be able to create episode 1 for you guys to see. Now one thing about this is you can also decide what aspect ratio you want it in, which is something I should have told you guys, but I want it in the full YouTube scene, so I'm not going to stress myself. So you see that it has created 2 scenes. We'll go to the next scene. This is busy Lagos. This is Amara and her friend, right? So we'll go to add image again. We remove mommy, we add the friend. We do the cancel, we put our prompt, clear it, add the new prompt, paste it, put that one there. The 4th scene is in the reception, security guard stopping. We only have Amara here, so it's just Amara that we'll put in here. I guess the security guard isn't like a main character or something. So you see that this thing did not really give me what I wanted for busy Lagos, so I can just rewrite it. So create, and then I just move it in and say who looks confused and recreate it. It's not giving me what I want, so that's the option. Keep changing the prompt to satisfy you, because you will continue. This one is better. Now we want to do Amara now and the office reception, then the bathroom scene. I think this bathroom scene is 2 people. Let me go back to episode 1 to confirm. So this is now the reflection talking. So now we have this for Amara, and now one more is the bathroom scene, right? And we put that to generate. This thing might be hanging, but it's fine. Just reload, everything will still be there. Add your image, Amara, cancel, and put it there. So this will be the last one that we're generating this scene for this episode. I wanted to put something with EIJ, but I don't think I'm in the mood right now. This is Amara talking, and I think we're good with all this. Now the next step is to make our images talk. Let it come to life. Now this is where the magic happens, and this is where we use the app called Grok AI. So we remember that we told ChatGPT to give us the scene prompt, and we've already created our scenes images from Whisk AI. So now we're joining both of them together. So this is how we're going to use it using Grok AI. Grok gives you like 6 seconds of video, right? And you can also have a subscription that would increase it to like 10 to 12 seconds. But have a Twitter subscription. The same amount you pay for your Twitter gives you full access to Grok AI. That's if you sign with X on your Grok. But if you use the free version, you can generate 12 times a day. So if you have to wait the next day or subscribe, it's just 6,700, which naira. I'll try to get the exact price and put it on the screen. So this is how you do it. AI now, go to Grok AI now, and I have a subscription. So create videos. Click on this and animate photos. Please always animate photos. Now the first one is Amara. We click on that. We now go to ChatGPT, Abby, and go and read out the script for it. So we're in episode 1, and it shows a close-up of her waking up, checking her phone. My phone, why is my name not here? That's the first thing she says. So this one that we copied from ChatGPT You know that they don't know, Grok does not know what Amara is, so we're going to clear Amara. So it will be a close-up of her waking up. Then we're just going to slightly arrange that. Then she checks her phone, no notification, no name on lock screen. Then she murmurs, then she murmurs, then she murmurs. Now remember that I said I want it to be in 16 by this thing. I can make it 10 seconds if I want. Yeah, so let it load. So while it is loading, this is how it's going to be. I'll probably do some off camera and just show you the ending scene because it might take a long time. But I want to show you how to make two characters talk at the same time without them overlapping each other. So I'll probably do one that requires that and I'll show you guys. So it's loading right now, so we're just waiting and then to play.
My phone? Why is my name not here?
Right, so he has this now. She doesn't remember.
My phone? Why is my name not here?
If I don't like it, I can rewrite it and say
My phone?
she's just
Why is my name not here?
she's just waking up and she checks her phone
My phone?
and murmurs
Why
that
is my name not here?
6 seconds instead and tell it to generate. That's another thing that we can do. We can have different, like I said, I'm on the subscription base, so I can just continue checking different. I'm going to go to the scene of our mom. I'm going to stop recording now and just go to the scene of our mom and just put that, overlap this here.
Excuse me, who are you looking for?
Mommy, it's me.
I don't know you. Who are you looking for?
Mommy, it's me.
I don't know. Excuse me, who are you looking for?
Mommy, it's me.
I don't know you. Excuse me, who are you looking for?
Mommy, it's me.
I don't know you. Excuse me, who are you looking for?
Mommy, it's me.
I don't know you.
Now the key thing to this is to be specific in your prompt so that character only say their own line, so that this person will not say that person's line and that one will not say that person's line. You have to be specific when you're doing your prompt.
It's me! Why are you calling me like that? I don't know you.
What? It's me. We met last week.
I have no idea who you are. Please leave me alone. Excuse me, I need to get through.
Your name is not on the system.
That's impossible. I'm on the staff board. gone. My face is gone.
Now your images are no longer static, they are talking, expressing emotions and acting like real scenes. The final thing now is to edit it into a movie. We'll go to CapCut and say, oh yeah, let's join all the scenes together, listen to them, arrange the clips in orders, add background music if you want. You can add sound effects, you can cut and trim for smoother transitions. This is where your movie becomes cinematic. And that is it, guys. Very simple, 4 easy steps and your full AI movie is ready. No real actors, no cameras, no animation skills. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and subscribe for more AI content, vlogs, beauty. I'm all about everything. And if you're serious about content creation, start now because AI is changing everything. Bye.